Hi, I'm Brock with Branchbird, and today I'm going to show you how Oracle Endeca Information Discovery version 3.1 allows end users to create their own data mashups, leveraging your organization's existing OBI infrastructure. To demonstrate this, I have two assets of interest running on my local workstation. I have a VM running OBIE 11117, amongst other things, as well as I have Oracle Endeca Information Discovery version 3.1 installed. Now, before I can provision my new discovery application, I need to put on my Endeca administrator hat for a moment and create what's called a data source within Studio. With administrative privileges from the control panel, I can go to my data source library, and I can notice that currently we have no data sources created. Now, as an administrator, I'll have the privilege to outfit my organization with any data sources I think will help them in their discovery initiatives. And obviously, OBI is one of those sources that's going to be very valuable. And the investment that's been poured in that over the years should be something we bring to bear for our end users as they're producing their own data mashups for new discovery initiatives. Quickly going to pull out some airline information, and I'm going to create an OBI data source around the airline data. I'm going to enter my VM's IP and port. With the default VM username and password. Now, the Studio provisioning service will go and determine what the different subject areas are within my OBI instance. And because we're today interested in airline traffic, we're going to go see what presentation tables have been set up in that repository. For demonstration's sake, I'm going to go ahead and pull in the carrier table, through which the provisioning service will go and interrogate that table and assign each attribute its own display name and data type appropriately. And assuming I'm okay with what it's given by default, I can save that off to successfully create my OBI airline data source. Now, taking my Endeca administrator hat off, now I have a pointer, if you will, that my end users, individuals in my organization who are going to build their own discovery applications can use to do their own discovery. So taking my administrator hat off and putting my end user hat on, I'm going to create an application that discovers information from that carrier presentation table. So it's going to ask me to make sure I have access to that presentation table. And after I verify my access, again, it's going to load up the default display names and data types for the fields it defines within that presentation table. And after I click on, my application will be created for me. I can begin my discovery process. You can see in just a few simple clicks, I can begin discovering the data I've pulled out of my existing OBI investment. And if I want, as an end user, to continue to mash up data to try to drive out new insights, I can either go in and further manage the data set I pulled out of OBI, or I can add to it additional data sets. Thank you for your time.